Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to another brand new video. Today our topic about who are strong. Okay. If you see, usually traders will tell you that if there is an uptrend like this, trade in this situation, right? For up direction, right? If you have this situation for downtrend, we used to trade for down trade, right? So that's not how we find the trend. Many way to find the trend, but my way is total different, and I will show you today how to find a exact trade, way to place a trade. Okay, today is our topic about who are active in this situation. Okay, who are active in this situation. If you see properly, in uptrend we can trade for put also. In downtrend we can trade for up direction also. Okay, what others will say that in downtrend we have to trade for down direction, in uptrend we have to trade for up direction, right? That's not good. We can trade any way, any direction. In any trend, downtrend we can trade on any direction. Okay, before starting the video, my telegram channel link in the comment section and description. Okay, today uh, today I have given back-to-back compound VIP and VIP channel, and before yesterday I have given back-to-back three-step. I think it's yesterday one signal. Okay, day before yesterday I have given like three-step compounding in channel. Before I am starting the compounding, I usually mention here. If you see here properly, get ready in for three-step compounding. If you see here properly, two-step compounding I mentioned there. Okay, I will definitely mentions there. And this is our batch for mentorship from January 1st. With January 1st is our first class. This is totally before classes. These are before classes, but I removed them after completing their course. I removed them. I added new members. If you see here properly, new batch members like this. This is how it will works like. So if you like to join in my telegram channel link in the comment section. So before starting video, I will tell you some hidden topics, like for example, there is a engulfing, right? If there is a engulfing, in this engulfing there is a demand. Okay, demand. In this engulfing there is a order block, right? There is a order block, and when engulfing comes, price will go up, and when demand comes, price will go up. When order block comes, price will go same form. Like we are trading for this session, it's a supply in here, supply, order block in, right? So why usually trade in engulfing? I think you got my point now. Only binary works on engulfing. Other will work in binary. They maybe works, but engulfing will gives you good accuracy. Okay, engulfing will gives you definitely good accuracy. If we see here in downtrend, how we can find that trade for put direction? If you see here properly, there is a successful engulfing, there is a successful engulfing, there is a successful triple candlestick pattern, and in uptrend there is a fade engulfing. When these will happen on next attempt, on next time, not only here, when it happens anywhere, okay, we can trade on these candle. Okay, by tagging these. Okay, if you want to check for more examples, I will show you. If you see here properly, there is no engulfing. If there is no engulfing for this candle, there is a continuation, right? Same situation right here. There is no engulfing. We trade on this candle by base of this tagging. Okay, what I'm just telling you is just 20%. 10 to 20% of the topic. Don't just blindly trade on these situation. Get experienced, even not join in mentorship. Just get experienced based on watching my videos. Okay, don't waste time on learning fake content which you are learning from YouTube or somewhere. Support, resistance, train. What else? Channel. What else? I don't know that stuff called. Um, Supply, demand. Those all are fake. Okay, if it comes to the topic, see here, right? We take this trade, we made win decent win there, and where's our next setup? Next setup will be right here. If we engulfing properly, there is a proper candle. When it engulfs again, we trade on these candle. How many wins we made on these situation? These one, give me a second. Yeah, this is one trade. This is two trades. This is third trade. We made three decent wins in this trend, in this uptrend by watching these candlestick psychology or trend direction. If we look into here, this is my for example, this is my demo account. I usually don't trade on Quotex. I trade on Olum trade. These videos I only use to trade on live account. I teach people on Quotex, and I look charts into Quotex. That will gives me good accuracy, and not only good accuracy. Before starting these Quotex, I usually trade on Olum trade platform, so I addicted to that. I'm just slowly moving on that platform. So what's our theory right here? If we see, we only pick engulfing points. Okay, we don't pick this point. This is not our reversal, and this is not our reversal. This is not our reversal. That's why it not happened reverse. It's not happened. So this is fake up. Okay, this is fake up. Our engulfing point was right here. Okay, when our engulfing point was here, so when there is a engulfing, there is a continuation bull. So, and here we got an engulfing, we must go for call direction right here, but we made loss there and win, right? So that's decent. We made MTG1. How many trades we made till now winning? Four, right? We made four trades winning. So I think I'm usually take classes, take video like plus video recording, but I don't wanna make that long process, but because you guys are not respecting my effort, and you guys are not you know the point, right? I think you got the point. So that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like to subscribe to my channel, my telegram channel link in the comment section and description. Please do join there. Thank you. Bye.